During hybrid and online instruction, your teachers will often leave you comments and feedback to help you better understand some of the scores you may receive in your Schoology assignments. There's several different ways you can find information, but I'm going to show you just a couple. When you click into your course, on the left-hand side, there is a tab called Grades. If you click on the Grades tab, you will see every assignment that's been turned in so far this year. You will notice that this first assignment, there's a little rubric sign here. I received 8 out of 8 on this assignment, but if I click into the rubric, it's going to give me detailed information about the scores that I received. In your rubric also, you might even have a point of time where your teacher has left a comment for you. The best way to find this comment is to click into the rubric and click on the comments bubble. This is where teachers can leave comments within the rubric for you to better understand your score. As you navigate through Schoology and the rubrics, there's also other ways that you can find valuable feedback from your teachers. If you scroll down, you will see here that this student did not receive any credit on a submission that they turned in. This student, it says right here, the teacher has left some pretty good feedback that even though they did the work, they didn't show their work. If you're questioning your teacher's feedback or not really sure what they mean, you can click into the actual assignment and click into your submission to see the assignment and how your teacher's feedback matches the submission that you put in.